Inhale up. Yes, go back maximum. Exhale, forward bending. Drop your both palms down. Now from here, right leg back. Inhale, Chanfairasa. Right leg back. Drop your knees, both hands side of the body. Look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down. Left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Hold the breath. Chaturanga or Ashtanga. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Slowly or upward dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Try to drop your both heels down and try to drop your head down. Feel the stretching on your upper back. Hit bow, chin file and right leg straight up. Exhale, right leg front in between your palm. Drop your knee. Inhale, both hands side of the body. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sim hai tai sung chan chai siklan. Left leg front to forward bending. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, namaste, samastitihi. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, same. Inhale, raise your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, forward bending, head down. Inhale, left leg back, drop your knee. Same, both hand, side of the body. Drop your both palms down. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down. Right leg back to plank pose. Again, body should be straight, one line. Hold the breath. Chaturanga or Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra pose, slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, downward dog. Same, just tight. If possible, then one by one, heel up, down. Yes, very good, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deutschen. Inhale, left leg up, chin chai. Left leg front, yes, in between your palm. Drop your knee, again, both hands, side of the body, slowly, come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chanpai Siklan. Drop your both palms down. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, head down. One more time. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale, namaste, samastitihi. Very good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, raise your hands up. High chin, gap chin. Come to Utkatasana. Yes, slowly. Jap thigh and swipe wide. Namaste and turn your body to the right side. Tai Chai Swang Tai Feeling. Drop your left hand down and right hand straight up. Yes, very good. Excellent. Hold on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, same. Inhale up. Line up. Exhale. Same. Change your side to the left side. Tai Phai Thang Tai Sung. Drop your right palm down and left hand straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai Tai Sung. Jump back. Yes, come to plank pose. Very good. Excellent. One, two, three, four, five. Chaturanga Dandasana. Or come to Ashtanga. Drop your knee, chest, chin. Inhale, upward dog or cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog or come to mountain pose. Inhale, right leg up, chin file in. Right leg front, len chuk. Goisung, high in. Come to Anjani Asana. Raise both hands up. Yes, very good. One, good job. Two, three, four, five. High thigh back side, interlock your finger. Yes. Dao sung, goilen. Yes, head down and if possible the knee up. Very good. Excellent everybody. Nice. Good job. Good job. One, two, three, four, five. Tai chai gap tai swam tai phai. Drop your left elbow down and right hand straight up. If possible, then knee up. Yeah, very good. Excellent. One, two, three, four, five. If possible, then come to the flying man pose. If you cannot, just right leg up. One, two, three, four, five. Good job. Yes, Chanfarasa. Right leg back, left leg back to plank pose. Again, body should be straight, one line. Excellent. One, two, three, four, five. Sung Chaturanga Dandasana or come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana, slowly or cobra pose, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Slowly, one by one, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one, inhale, left leg up, same. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Drop your knee. Again, inhale. Raise both hands up. Come to Anjani Asana. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Both hand back side. Interlock your finger. Raise both hands up and forehead touch to mat. If possible, then try to knee up. Excellent, everybody. Good job. Hold on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Tai Phi. Drop your right elbow down and left hand all the way up. If possible, then again knee up. Very good, excellent. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand down. Yes, if possible, then Ekapada Kandila Asana. Or if you cannot, just left leg up. High Janlen. Yes, good job. Excellent. Ekapada Kandila Asana. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Left leg back to plank pose. And everybody come to child pose. Embed. Relax your body. Just relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your mind. It's a beautiful stretching, beautiful flow, power flow posture. Excellent, everybody. Nice. 1, 2, relax. Relax.